This is the first episode of this Mathcounts series where we will be learning arithmetic as our first topic, and this is part 1 of arithmetic. Today we will be learning about the difference of squares. Let's look at some examples, or one example. We have 5 squared minus 3 squared, and this is just equal to 25 minus 9, and this is equal to 16. This was very simple, but what if we get stuck with something like this? Well, that doesn't look as easy anymore, and us mathematicians are quite lazy. So what are we going to do? Well, there's a small trick for the difference of squares. The general difference of squares is x squared minus y squared, and it's equal to x minus y times x plus y. Don't believe me? Well, I'll prove it to you. So we have x minus y and x plus y, and they're being multiplied by each other, so it's pretty easy to say, why not multiply them? So let's do so. If we multiply them using the distributive property, we get x squared plus xy minus xy minus y squared. The xy minus xy cancel out, and we are left with x squared minus y squared, which was our original difference of squares. Still don't believe me? Well, let me give you a visual proof for those visual learners out there. We've got an x by x squared. We've got another y by y squared. Please don't mind the inaccuracy. And we know that this length here is x minus y, since the whole blue length is x and this orange length is y. And this length here is also x minus y. So we have our diagram for x squared, which is the whole square, minus y squared, which is this square. So we need to find this in-between area along this corner, and that should be our answer for the difference of squares. Well, how are we going to do that? Let us first split this area using this line given these two rectangles. This difference of squares is going to equal to x times x minus y plus y times x minus y, because this rectangle here its area is x times x minus y. This rectangle here, its area is y times x minus y, which is exactly what our expression says. Our expression here, as you can see, in both terms, there's an x minus y. We can factor this out, and this gives us x plus y times x minus y, which is exactly what we wanted. Now let's go back to that very large difference of squares, and let's test this rule on this difference of squares. So this difference of squares is going to equal to 120 minus 107 all times 120 plus 107. 120 minus 107 is equal to 13, and 120 plus 107 is equal to 227. I would say that this is much easier to multiply out than this. So multiplying this out, we get our answer to be 2,951. That is the difference of squares. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more practice, I have created a document that I will link in the description. If you have any questions, I will link my email down below, and I can personally answer any questions about this topic. Thank you, and have a nice day.